Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Rupal ma'am. I hope you and your family are healthy and safe. Today, we are going to learn something very important and interesting. Are you all ready for it? Yes? Okay, let's get started.
Can you see a bird in this picture? And it says, "This is my lovely home." It is looking at the nest, and the nest is its lovely home. So, like this, we all need a home to live in, right? Just as the birds live in the nest, we live in a home with our family. Home is a place where we live with our family. Do you know why do we need home to live in? Our home protects us from the sun, the rain, the wind, insects, and animals. It keeps us safe and comfortable. How many rooms are there in your house? Let's learn about the different rooms in our house. We use different rooms for doing different things. The food is cooked in the kitchen. Our guests sit in the living room. It is also called the drawing room. We eat our food in the dining room. We take bath in the bathroom. We sleep in the bedroom. There are many types of homes, such as bungalows, houses with sloping roof, houses with flat roof, multi-story flats, huts, igloos, tents, etc. I am sure you all love your home as I do because we all have our comfort, our toys, our books, and everything in a proper place in our home. Now, let's look at this pretty home. It has a chimney, roof, tree, wall, window, grass, fence, pavement, door, path, car, and a garage. Do you have these rooms in your home? Living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Today, we will learn about living room and kitchen. Look at this living room. It has curtains, lamp, television, photo frame, sofa, floor, phone, notepad, clock, bookshelf, teddy, books, carpet, table, and cushions. A room which we use to relax and where guests are entertained is called living room. Now, this is the kitchen. It has light, chimney, cabinets, gas stove, boxes, towel, drawer, floor, cupboards, tap, sink, microwave, fridge, kettle, and a toaster. A kitchen is a place where we cook food and also store food. Do you like to help Mama in the kitchen? Yes? Very good.
So today, children, we had fun learning about my home and its different rooms. So let's revise it. This is a living room. It has curtains, lamp, television, photo frame, sofa, floor, phone, notepad, clock, bookshelf, teddy, books, carpet, table, and cushions. Now, this is the kitchen, and the kitchen has light, chimney, cabinets, gas stove, boxes, towel, drawer, floor, cupboards, tap, sink, microwave, fridge, kettle, and a toaster. Home provides us with comfort and protection. We must keep our home neat and clean. See you soon. Bye bye.